Want to make your text pop in PowerPoint? I will show you how to create stunning holotext effect in just minutes. Holotext effects are a game changer for presentation. They are sleek, modern, and perfect for grabbing attention. Most PowerPoint slides are flat and uninspiring. Without engaging visual, your audience might lose interest. But what if you could add a professional holotext effect in just a few steps? Let's solve this problem together. Insert a rectangle shape that covers half of the slide. Then select a wave shape, drag it, and rotate it. Select both shapes. Go to Merge Shape and select Union to combine them seamlessly. Then add a text box. Type Los Angeles and center your content. Use a bold font and increase the font size. After that, align center and align middle. Select both, go to Merge Shape and choose Combine. This creates the holotext effect. Insert an image of Los Angeles. Resize it and send it to the back. Go to Animation. Select Grow and Shrink and increase the duration for a smooth effect. Select the Combine shape. Go to Shape Format and choose a color from the Shape field. Remove the outline and add outer shadow from depth. Add your content like this information about Los Angeles and click on slideshow to see your stunning holotext effect in action. And that's it. In just few steps, you have created a stunning holotext effect that will make your slide stand out. It's easy, fast, and perfect for any presentation. Love this tutorial? Drop a comment below and let me know what PowerPoint tips you would like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more quick and easy design hacks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.